How to fix Instagram you have been logged out, please log back in problem. Firstly, go to the settings app on your mobile device. If you are using Android, then you can also go to the settings and go to the clear cache and clear the cache of Instagram. But in iOS, go to the settings and scroll down and you'll get to see general option available there and tap on it. Now scroll down from the listed apps and look for the Instagram option available there and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get to see a upload app option available there. Simply upload it and reinstall it. After that, go back to the App Store on your mobile device or Google Play Store on your Android. Then simply search for the Instagram app. An outdated app version may cause login issues, so make sure that you have the updated version available. If there is an update option available, simply update it. Now, once you have done it, go back to the settings again. Inside settings, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and reset your iPhone. So that is it. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot this issue. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.